So grab what's in your kitchen. Let's make some science happen. Chalo, ekটু science করে ফেলি আজকে। Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I'm Albina and welcome back to Albina Zakir Academy. Today we're becoming secret agents and learning how to write invisibly with real science. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to write invisible notes with your friends and explain exactly how it happens. Let's start. But before we jump in, I want to tell you something really cool. Invisible ink isn't just some new internet trick. People used it for over 2,000 years. Ancient Greeks and Romans used invisible ink and hid secret messages. During World War I and World War II, people used these invisible inks to pass secret notes without anyone else knowing. Now I'm going to tell you what ingredients we need. We will need a lemon or lemon juice, a cotton swab or a paintbrush, a bowl, a blank paper and a heat source. But remember to have your parents beside you while using the heat source. Now let's start with the process. Now we take the lemon and grab the bowl. And if you're using a fresh lemon, only use half and squeeze it in the bowl.
Anything else you can use or only lemon juice?
You can use vinegar, orange juice or milk. Squeeze the lemon. I just need a little bit just to write something. Place the lemon aside. Place the bowl aside. Now let's grab the plain paper and place it right here. Now we'll grab the cotton swab and dip it into the lemon juice. Coat it nicely so the paper absorbs the lemon. Now I'm going to write the secret message. I'm not going to tell you what I'm writing. But later, the text will be revealed. You can write anything you want. Now, after we're done writing, we're gonna wait and make it completely dry. We're gonna wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and the paper will become completely white and dry. Now let's wait. See, friends, the paper is completely white. That means it is completely dry. Now we're gonna heat it with my parents' help. Now you will see the surprise. See now the ink is a little bit visible. I wrote I'm Jaza, but you need to give more ink so the letters will become more visible. I think I placed a little too less. That's why mine's a less bit visible. So why does this happen? This happens because the lemon is packed with critic acid. When we write, the acid breaks down and weakens the paper's fiber. The water evaporates, leaving invisible carbon compounds. At the heat, then the sugar caramelizes while the carbon oxides, making the lemon ink visible. By the way, you can use orange juice, lime juice, apple juice, milk, or vinegar. Now it's your turn. Comment what happened when you use the other liquid and comment what the secret you wrote. See you in the next episode. Thank you. So that's exactly what happened today. Hope you enjoy it. Try with things you've already got at home. Now it's your turn. Ebar tumar pala. Try this and comment what happened when you did it. See you in the next experiment.